Hi, this is Big Daddy back again. I got my stepdaughter Pebble Wells. I call her my little tomboy. We're going to do part 2 of the catfish bait making. I'll show y'all how it look. Take a good look at it. This is how it turned out. Now I'm going to get ready to put it in the stocking. You ready, Pebbles?
Yep.
Okay, put it in the stocking like this right here in portions.
Backed up a little.
Put it in the stocking like that in portions. Then I'm going to tie it off in little balls. About yay big size. Okay. Right
That
here.
how it look?
Come on, let me see your pebbles. See, when you put this right here on your old catfish line, you get see how many balls I can get out here. So I'm gonna tell you to hold this pebbles. Let me finish making it up. Open it up, baby.
Back here.
So move this in here. In that section. Tie this ball. Come back, pebbles.
So those 2 balls.
Okay.
If I make number 3.
Check it down in there real good.
So my Big Daddy cube right here is going to tie it up so we can have 3 balls. And
it depends how big your stocking is.
Just a regular pair of, everybody got a girlfriend out there in the world, or a wife, a pair of whole pantyhose will work. Okay, and I'm going to let it sit right here, back in my container. To soak up all that blood and stuff for the catfish bait. I'm planning on going out tomorrow morning about 8 a.m. Maybe a little early, 5 a.m. tops, 8 a.m. the latest. Going out there to St. T. Cooper River. Going to see what them catfish doing. It's tomorrow supposed to be a good day. Hoping the weather ain't too bad to put the boat out in the water. See what I'm going to do out there, catch them catfishes. Plan on getting a plenty good bit. I hope everybody likes this video and subscribe to me. Please hit like and subscribe.
And please let us go get our Golden YouTube poster, the Golden YouTube, so we can put up in our house. And we tune in with you later.
Thank you and have a good day.